Xiaomi recently released the newest Mi AirDots Pro 2, which is their fourth attempt on entering the wireless earbuds market. Prior to their release, we reviewed the Redmi AirDots, and to be honest, we were pretty impressed considering the low-budget Xiaomi put into this product line. The updated version of Mi AirDots Pro currently has no overseas edition, and the price in China is 399 yuan, which is approximately 56 USD, 3/4 cheaper than the AirPods. So is the price its only killing trick? We may find out today. First things first, what does it look like? Let's start with the charging case. It is smaller than its regular generation, and it is a full Apple style. In the front we can see an indicator, and on the right side there is a function button. Open up the case and it's got a nice magnet on it. But as you can see, it doesn't really flip back on its own. This is where I find it a little bit cheap in the case design. It's not an incredibly strong magnet, but it's not going to open in your pocket on its own. And the earbuds stay in the case pretty firmly. Most important, you get an actual feedback when you place the earphones inside the case. Move on to the earphones, they seem pretty alike to the AirPods, but the body is much thicker. I assume they are doing this kind of design to avoid legal issues and to store a bigger battery inside it. Surprisingly, we find two mics in the earphones. The main one is housed on the bottom, and there is another. The overall body design is not bad, it's simple and casual, suitable for both gentlemen and ladies. Let's talk about the battery. 1 hour of charging brings you about 4 hours of use time, and the charging box overall battery life is up to 14 hours. The earbuds in the box both support fast charging. Charging time is 1 hour. A fully charged battery lasts 5 days. So if you only use the earbuds while going to work and from work, like I do, you won't need to worry about the endurance. Also, if you are using a Xiaomi smartphone, you can see the exact status of the battery on both the earbuds and the box. Other operating systems can only monitor the condition of the earbuds. So for the battery part, I believe Mi AirDots Pro 2 is okay, even above average. Now comes the touch control system. The Mi AirDots Pro 2 supports some basic touch gestures, like tap twice on the right earbud to pause or play the music. Tap twice on the left earbud to awake the voice assistants. And if you have a cell phone call coming, you can tap twice to answer the call or hang up the phone after you finish the conversation. Sadly, there's no back and forth touch control or volume touch control, but you can always ask Siri for help. In this case, it's, "Hello, Xiao. Now let's talk about the sound quality. This is quite a subjective topic. From my personal experience, I like how the earbuds perform for voices. It's pretty clear, there is no breaking sound when playing high notes, but I do notice that some low keys are missing, or in other words, the bass part is a little bit foggy and blurry. Overall, the sound quality is satisfying for me. It's a good choice if you prefer pop music or country music, as I do. However, one thing keeps bothering me. I know it's not fair to ask for noise reduction for a pair of wireless headphones in such a low budget market, but when I'm in a noisy environment like the metro, I have to turn up the volume to 80% or higher, which is absolutely not good for hearing. As I mentioned before, Mi AirDots Pro 2 has two mics. How's the mic and call quality on both ends? Here's our experiment.
This is a mic test of the Mi AirDots Pro 2. What you are hearing now is how the earbuds perform with only the left one in my ear. What you are hearing now is how the earbuds perform with only the right one in my ear. What you are hearing right now is how the earbuds perform with both of the earbuds in my ear.
If in a relatively quiet environment, the result is fairly impressive. Inevitably, wireless earbuds are always doing badly in synchronizing the sound. The Mi AirDots Pro 2 has a noticeable 0.5 second delay. It becomes pretty obvious when you're playing games and watching videos. That's pretty much it about today's review on the Mi AirDots Pro 2. We'll keep you guys informed if there's a global version released on our Twitter account. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel. This is Kieran signing off, and I hope you enjoy the future videos to come.